In this video, I will be reviewing Symphony 50-liter Diet 50i air cooler. This air cooler comes with a remote and it performs pretty well. It's pretty slim, thoroughly cools the entire room. As it is slim, it can fit into a smaller room or a bigger room very easily. It's easy to move. The air cooler ensures that the cool air thoroughly spreads over the entire room. It also has an auto swing feature which uniformly cools the whole room. The tank capacity of this cooler is 50 liters. So once if you fill the water, it will come for around 24 hours of time. You can just sit and enjoy the cool air. Also notice there is a highly efficient honeycomb pad. Makes the cooling more effective. The purpose of this comb pad is it makes it more effective. You can notice that there is an ice chamber on top. So the purpose of this ice chamber is for enhanced cooling. Guys, there is also a 7 hours timer. It's very easy for the users. During the night time, you can set the timer and you can just sleep. Helps you save power also. You can control the swing functions and other function using the remote. It just consumes 175 watts and it is the most efficient cooler among various other categories. I feel so. What does this Dura pump technology do? It increases the life of the pump. And what about the blower? It has a powerful 7-inch blower. It gives you a powerful blowout. And what about the empty water tank alarm? It's very convenient. Whenever there is no water, it will give you a ring so that you can come and fill the water. It's very convenient for the users. The empty water tank alarm and the system restore functions. So you can restore the previous settings. So it remembers the previous settings and it clearly restores the previous settings for you. So you can restore it using this system restore function. Also guys, it works on inverter power. You can feel the same even when the cooler is operated on inverter power. Overall, I would say Symphony cooler is very comfortable. You can keep it both inside and outside your home. You can also place the cooler near the windows. So I would say the advanced technical feature has made it more user friendly, like the remote control, the timer and the empty tank alarm, which makes it very easier for people just to sit and operate. It also saves you power, so it's very energy efficient as well. So guys, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.